Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a blue coconut slushie. I'm adding my 2 cups of ice and water. Make sure you have more ice versus water. I do about 20 to 24 ounces for a 20-ounce dome lid. I'm adding 1 scoop of our tropical twist fiber, 2 scoops of our CR7, 1 scoop of our blue blast stevia, and 1 scoop of Pina Colada stevia. I'm going to be adding a tropical Liftoff, and I'm going to blend this for about 10 seconds. And that's it. That's how you make a blue coconut slushie. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.